Hey, it's Morgan from WTI, and I love these watch bands so much. These watch bands from Minyee are the whole package. I really love these a lot. They are engraved with this really beautiful floral pattern. I absolutely love the different colors that it comes in. This pack comes with 6 different ones, and they are all so pretty and could definitely go with so many outfits. You wear it to so many different occasions. They are so comfortable, really soft, and they go with your Apple Watch so perfectly. I am definitely obsessed. I'm gonna wear these all the time. They're great for going out or if you're exercising. They're really comfortable. Again, this floral pattern is so unique and I was so drawn to them immediately the first time I saw them, and they do not disappoint. They are so gorgeous. If you're looking for your next pack of your favorite watch bands, here they are, and that's my point of view.